Birds fly in the sky. Learn new words every day. هذه حمامة. Pigeon, pigeon, pigeon. هذا كناري. Canary, canary, canary. هذا حسون. Goldfinch, goldfinch, goldfinch. Birds fly in the sky. Learn new words every day. Birds fly in the sky. Learn new words every day. هذا صقر. Falcon, falcon, falcon. هذا لقرق. Stork, stork, stork. هذه نعامة. Ostrich, ostrich, ostrich. Birds fly in the sky. Learn new words every day. Birds fly in the sky. Learn new words every day. Birds fly in the sky. Learn new words every day. هذا فلامينغو. Flamingo, flamingo, flamingo. هذا نورس. Seagull, seagull, seagull. هذا هدهد. Hoopoe, hoopoe, hoopoe. Birds fly in the sky. Learn new words every day. هذا غراب. Crow, crow, crow. هذا بلبل. Nightingale, nightingale, nightingale. هذا كركي. Crane, crane, crane. Birds fly in the sky. Learn new words every day. Birds fly in the sky. Learn new words every day. Come on, let's repeat the names of the birds and learn them with joy and delight. See you again, my friends.
هيا يا أصدقائي، لنختبر معلوماتنا. هل تعرفون اسم هذا الطائر؟ اكتبوا إجابتكم في التعليقات.